So do you guys do family dinner together every night?
Most nights we do. It's super early.
If I don't have the kids fed at like 5:30, then it's a domino effect. Bath time's too late, story time's too late, everyone has a meltdown.
What time is your last kid down?
7:30.
Same.
You still got at least half an hour of adult time.
Are they good eaters, your kids?
Some days, when they're growing, they're great. When they're not, they're under the table, running around.
The sit-down dinner process can be pretty frustrating. Like, just trying to keep everyone at the table. We're about to witness it. Where are my drink bottles? Where's I need a spoon. Someone's upside down in a chair. You're like, why are you upside down? You're chewing a carrot.
So do you guys feel like my food bag has actually helped?
Takes away the thought of what to cook. I'm like, yes, the kids will love that, I'll love that, we'll make that one work.
It's quite nice just before they arrive.
It is, yeah, the calm before the storm. I think they're getting pretty hungry though.
Yeah, I'll grab them. Right, here's one.
Bye-bye.
Girls.
Where are you going? Where are you going? We're just about to eat dinner. Now the other one's gone. Come on, boys. Brando, where's River?